guys, so this is the building of Money Museum. Yeah, dito sa Portugal. So ito yung museum nila guys. Kung paano namimik yung money nila. So nandito tayo. Scan your bag, everything. You have to take your jacket off. Yeah. This is the Bank of Portugal. So ito yung guys, yung bolt guys, so nila guys. This is a wishing well guys.